lot of times I don't think people use hot water enough. Hot water can be amazing for like shrinking. Use it for sanitizing, especially in these times right now with whites. Make sure you're always using hot water for your whites too. For your delicates, always use a delicate cycle. Cold is definitely what you want to use for gentle fabrics. I will see like my mom or my friends, I see sometimes they just use the regular cycle. I'm like, no, because it will actually damage the fibers of those gentle fabrics. So just really be careful. If you follow the instructions and suggestions from your washing machine manufacturer, you're going to be okay. Don't over dry things. When you over dry things, oh my goodness, it's really damaging. I usually just air dry everything anyway. It's awesome. Things will last a lot longer. It's green. You're reducing your carbon footprint. It's wonderful.